Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to clear cache on your iPhone. To do this, first open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. And now tap on iPhone Storage. Now you will be able to see how much space and storage left on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on System Data. As you can see, system data often takes up a lot of space. It's basically boiled up from your daily uses like app cache and temporary files. Clearing this is essential to keep your iPhone running smoothly. So let's dive into how you can clear this and free up your storage. Scroll down and tap on Search button. You can search Safari and tap on this app. Scroll down and now tap on Advanced. Tap on Website Data. Now you can see all of the website cache within Safari. Just tap on Edit and you can individually delete this, or scroll down and delete all website data. Tap on Remove Now. We have clear website data in Safari, but some of people's using Google Chrome. So do the same thing on Google Chrome. First open Google Chrome and tap on three-dot icon in the corner. Tap on History. Now you can individually delete or delete all browsing data. Select All Time and then tap on Delete. After doing that, go to your iPhone settings app again. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and you will be able to see all of the large apps. Select any large apps and tap on it. And tap on Offload App. After offload, tap on Reinstall App immediately. And go back and select any other large apps. And do the same thing. And install it again. And go back and you can do it to other large apps. By doing this easy process, you can clear cache and free up iPhone storage on your phone. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.